Genesis has officially unveiled the GV90, its first full-size flagship SUV and one of the brand's most ambitious electric vehicles to date. Positioned at the top of the Genesis SUV range, the new GV90 electric SUV will be offered as standard and more exclusive GV90 Neolun versions. The Neolun introduces dramatic coach-style doors with a hidden B-pillar, creating a wide open entry to the luxury-focused cabin. Underneath, the GV90 uses a dedicated Genesis flagship EMP electric vehicle platform and a large 123.5 kilowatt-hour battery. Genesis estimates the 7-seat GV90 can travel approximately 500 kilometers on a single charge. With a 350 kilowatt fast charger, the battery can charge from 10% to 80% in around 22 minutes. Performance is equally substantial. Front and rear electric motors deliver a combined maximum output of 660 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque, supported by dual electronic limited slip differentials, rear-wheel steering, and multi-chamber air suspension. Inside, the luxury electric SUV features a pop-up OLED cinematic display, a 25-inch head-up display, Genesis Plios Connect infotainment system, and an AI-powered onboard assistant. A 25-speaker Bang & Olufsen Premier 3D audio system, massage seats, and configurable ambient lighting further reinforce the GV90's flagship positioning. Safety is another major focus. Genesis says the GV90 features 12 airbags, including what the company describes as the world's first roof airbag, designed to provide additional occupant protection during severe rollover accidents. With the new GV90, Genesis is making its strongest move yet into the premium full-size electric SUV segment, combining long-range EV technology, high performance, and limousine-inspired luxury. Guys, please let us know in the comments if you like the new GV90. Thanks!